Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are fine. Happy weekend to you or wherever you're watching me from. On today's video, I'll be cleaning my kitchen, trying to take the dirty away. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Nothing much to say, guys. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe. I will see you on my next video, guys. Be safe out there. Love you guys. Bye.